Wish you a very good morning to all. So we are in our chemistry and we have already taken our chapter 1 matter in our surroundings. In our first video and some of the videos we have seen some of the topics and we discussed that how the matters are distinguished, how the matters are different in their states, in their types and different characteristics we somewhat know about how the matters can be identified. So today in this video I would like to discuss the important topic, that is the characteristics of PM. So do not, it is not Prime Minister, it is our particle of matter. Particles of matter. It is not our Prime Minister. It is not Narendra Modi. So be careful, huh? It is not for that. So PM is a particle of matter. Then the characteristic of matter. So in that, if you know that, the first and foremost characteristic, if I will take this chalk as a matter, so in that I need to understand that what are the characteristics inside and how I can identify. The physically we can easily identify, but chemically it is very difficult, because how many elements, how many molecules, how many compounds are there. It is just a study related topic, and microscopically we can identify the different type of chemical properties of this. So here first characteristic, that is size. S for size. The size of matter that shows us the exact characteristics of the particular matter. Second is IS, that is a intermolecular space. Intermolecular space, or we can say interparticle space. So here intermolecular space, suppose when we talk about solid, liquid or gas, the intermolecular space is different in all of them, because the intermolecular space of solid, liquid and gas is totally different. In solid the molecules are joined very closely. So intermolecular force in the solid is very strong. Okay. Liquid somewhat distance would be there, like this. Some gap would be there. So that is liquid. So intermolecular space in solid is very tightly joined, very less we can say. Liquid some space will be there, and gas very high speed, you can say. Okay, so suppose we are taking any liquid, suppose we are taking beaker, and in that water is filled up, water is there. Okay, now you add KMnO4, that is potassium permanganate. It is there in our lab also. Whenever you will come, I will show you. When we put that crystals of KMnO4, the water convert into pink color. So that shows that this is a solid. Okay, this substance is solid, this chemical is solid. When we put into the water, so continuous, there is a one force in it that start the process, diffusion process will start. So in that all the particles will start separating, they start separation. So in that the water convert into pink color. Water convert into pink color. Now same as I said in the previous video, when you take one drop from this and dip into the another, third, fourth, fifth, continuous, at the end you will see the very light pink color. Here very we can say very soft pink color you can see, but you will see at the end when you are dipping one and another, so making the solution dilute, we call as a dilution. So then at the end you will get the intermolecular space increasing. So next is a MP. It is not Madhya Pradesh. Okay, it is motion of particles. It is motion of particles. It is motion of particles. Now, how the different substances, different states of matter, in that how we can say the molecules are in motion. Okay, suppose we are taking any substance in a water, and when you dip ink, simple example we can take ink. When we put ink into the water, you will see some process in there. When minutely we have to see that when you dip ink into the water, some motion you will see. That means particles are moving. So in that, after few minutes, when we stir it, that time it will be uniformly blue. But when we dip into the ink into water, so that time you will see that some zigzag motion type of particles which are moving. That motion, if you know that the movement we call as a Brownian movement. Brownian movement of particles. Okay, the Brownian movement of particles. So in that, what is happening? The molecules are arranged in zigzag motion. So they are arranging like this. Okay, so they are arranging in such pattern. So they are arranged like a zigzag. So that process we call as a Brownian movement. That is derived by Robert Brown. Robert Brown. Robert Brown derived this movement in the motion of the particles, especially in the liquid, that is called as a Brownian movement, and they having a zigzag motion type of particles. So they start the motion of particles, and last is PMAEO. PMAEO, that is a particles of matter attract each other. Okay, remember that A for attract, E for each, and O for others. The particles of matter attract each other. Okay, so this is PMAEO. PMAEO. Remember the PMAEO. Particles of matter attract each other. So that is, so these are the characteristic of particles of matter. First is size. Second is IS, intermolecular space, motion of the particle, and particle of matter attract each other. Now how we can identify this? I am taking the simple example of this box. Now in that I can say that the particles of matter are attract each other. This is a box. Now if I will take this piece, so in that particles are attracted, and then only they are joined. Otherwise it is difficult. If one molecule will be there, so it is difficult to make this box. Clear? So therefore they are attract each other, they join. Suppose we are using this pen. So pen is what? It is made up of millions of molecules, millions of particles. So in that, the size will be for the any particle that will be considered in angstrom. Okay, that will be 10⁻⁻10 meter size of a particle. So the size of the particle can be measured in angstrom. So that is 10 is to minus 10 meter. So next we will discuss the states of matter. Very easy. Already we have discussed in the beginning of this video. That is solid, liquid, gas, then plasma, and last is a BEC. That is Bose-Einstein condensate. Got it? So solid. These are the states of matter that we are going to study now. Solid, liquid, then gas, then plasma. There is another Ma. There is new pattern of Ma. There is plasma. Okay. Next is a BEC. That is Bose-Einstein condensate. So generally, if you know that we are very much known topic, that is solid, liquid, and gas. We already aware about it, and these two are new for us. Okay. So here solid. Now how we can identify the interchange of the solid to liquid, liquid to gas? That is, suppose we are taking ice. Ice convert into water, H2O, and H2O convert into different gases, O2, H2. Okay, so two gases it will form. So ice convert into water, water convert into gases. So this is solid, this is liquid, and this is gas. So how the states of matter are interchanged. So interconversion of solid to liquid, liquid to gas. So that all things we have to study in this chapter. So this you should understand. Solid to liquid can be possible. Different processes are there. Liquid to gas, it is also possible. And plasma, it is related to the blood and that related to our body. So and BEC also, that is related to that. So these two topics are different, and these three are very easy to understand. How the interconversion of solid to liquid, liquid to gas, that is possible. Even gas to solid also possible, and direct solid to gas also possible. As we discussed in previous video, camphor, kapoor. If you know that kapoor directly converts solid to gas. Okay, so that is we will try to understand. And in the coming video, we will discuss in detail about the interconversion of solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and gas to different. So that already you are aware. You already taught in 8th standard the states of matter. Now we will study in deep. So in that, how the molecules are arranged, what is the intermolecular space in between them. So that all things we have to discuss. So up to here we will stop. In coming class we will discuss the interconversion of states of matter. Thank you and have a nice day.